So how are we building it and what is our framework? Well, the first stage has been completed. We've designed an ecosystem of mobile-first apps that will all network into our patented ad-free marketplace. Our content network consists of 3 main products for building out our critical mass of users. NewzMine is our app that provides a tailored news aggregation service. Our app factory is geared towards providing online influencers, publishers, celebrities, bands, or anybody with a following the ability of communicating with their followers via their own custom app. And Citizen Journalist is an app that creates un-editable blockchain videos. These products will all directly connect into our ad-free marketplace. The best way to describe the ad-free marketplace is if Tinder and Yellowpages had a baby. It's a freemium model to begin with as we build to critical mass, which then turns into a subscription-based model, providing monthly recurring revenue to both Bubblr and our content network partners.